Let's look at how we can retrieve data in our app using the Supabase JavaScript library. In this example, we have a list of artists who own many albums. Here is what our query would look like if we are retrieving a list of artists from the artist table. If we want to get all related albums, the query syntax changes just slightly. Inside of our select method, we still use asterisk to select all columns in the artist table, but we can have an additional syntax which gives us the albums too. We just write the related table's name, album, followed by brackets with an asterisk inside. We can further restrict the results by specific columns from the album table. We can also filter by columns in the related table. In this case, we are filtering by the release date of the album table. We can alias the related table by writing the alias name followed by colon and the original table name. Our results will now contain an albums object under each artist. But what if we want to select the album and get the related artist, you might ask? Well, the library also covers this case. You would write your query just as before, but with the from being the album and the select containing the artist as the related table. And this is how you retrieve a one-to-many relationship and its inverse using the Supabase JavaScript library. Head over to supabase.com if you want to learn more about the JavaScript library and everything about Supabase.